What's up guys, Brian, otherwise known as Slow Speeds, back with another video. Today, we're making a video I didn't plan to make today. The old saying, pigs can't fly, we proved that wrong today with Big Bertha. Originally we went out today just to get all the Carli Suspension parts retorqued. If you guys haven't seen my last video, we just did full Carli Suspension on this truck. Just a leveling kit, Carli King pin top leveling kit with some 37s and whatnot. So we went and got everything retorqued as you're supposed to after 1,000 miles. Then I wanted to go take some photos flexing the truck out. One thing led to another. I started having fun, and I went up something that I probably shouldn't have went up a little too fast. So I'll show that clip to you guys right now. As you guys can see, that was not clickbait. We sent this thing to the moon. We also had a little bit more fun. But I told you guys I'd prove to you guys what this Carli Suspension can do. I'll make a video later on of the damages. There's really not any damage, nothing serious. Like we broke a light bracket, that's it. We drove home 2 hours with no issues. So if that shows you guys anything, what kind of quality Carli builds in an 8,000 pound truck, we were able to do what we just did. That's nuts. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm not gonna clickbait it or anything. I didn't plan on making this video today, but here it is. Also, the microphone wasn't plugged in for those videos, so the audio quality is kind of bad. But I shouldn't be allowed to own this truck anymore if that's what I'm gonna do with it, because I don't think I can do that 100 more times. But we're gonna have fun. I told you guys this thing's not gonna be a pavement princess. If you guys wanna watch more videos on it in the future, make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment. We also have a turbo Mustang we like to have fun with as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.